guys, it's Angel here. Sorry I've not been doing a video. I've been on my iPad and I've got a new room. I've got a few things scripted around, so I'm going to be doing a room tour today. I bet you're surprised because I never do room tours. I always just do slime or squishy or LOLs.
Are you going to tell everybody about you being really poorly and having meningitis? You know, they died, didn't you?
Yeah. I nearly died a few months ago.
Yeah, from meningitis. That's why you haven't been on YouTube for the last year, isn't it?
Yeah, meningitis, septicemia.
Septicemia, yeah, you got really poorly, didn't you? You was in hospital for weeks and weeks.
1 week.
You weren't? You was in hospital for weeks?
Oh.
What, 3 weeks was
But
it?
you don't know how to tell the time.
I think it was 3 weeks you was in hospital, and you've got a bedroom to show everybody now, haven't you?
Yeah. But I'm all better now, so don't worry.
Yeah, she's better now, yeah.
I'm really hyper.
Are you really hyper today?
Yeah. So this is my door. It's a big mess.
It's got all your school, they're your school uniforms, aren't they?
Yeah, these are my school uniforms. I've got a owl bag with me earmuffs on there. I've got a princess dress. I've got birds here. I've got a dressing gown. My sister's dressing gown. My other dressing gown.
You got so many dressing gowns.
Well, that's my sister's.
Yeah.
And I've got this. And I've got a thing here. My friend, my best friend made it. Yeah, it says Angel. And then a few of those ones, and it says BFF.
Yeah.
And I've got a nightie here.
Yeah.
And I've got a scarf.
Got everything.
Got everything. So moving on, there's a big mirror here, and I was looking at, and this is what I always do. It's a bit weird, but I always do it inside the mirror looking at me. I can't really do it.
What's that supposed to be?
I don't know, but I just do it all the time. It's a bit embarrassing on camera. So then...
But at least you're back. At least you're back now from being poorly. You're back on YouTube.
This has to go on something, but I'll show you it later. So in here... toys.
Full of toys. And you got that for Christmas, didn't you?
Yeah,
You got an LOL house. Was that this Christmas? It was, wasn't it?
No, not this Christmas.
Was it last Christmas?
Yeah, I don't really play with LOLs.
No, I don't play with LOLs anymore, do you?
They're a bit babyish now.
Pardon?
No, all my friends play with them, but they're not my kind anymore. I play with Barbie dolls now.
Yeah, you like Barbies now, don't you? But people still play with LOL dolls as well,
So
don't
this
they?
is my bed. So you've got these stairs, and then you've got a shelf up here. You've got a shelf up here, don't look on it, it's a big mess. This is my den, and it's got some pillows here. This is where I hang out and watch my iPad. I've got a blanket here.
You love a blanket, don't you?
Yeah.
A nice comfy blanket.
Yeah, I always use one.
And your name's there, look. Angel.
Yeah. I always think of that elephant into E. It looks like one.
Yeah, it does actually, yeah, you're right.
And then I've got my windowsill. I
Windowsill.
always say to my mummy, Mummy, why do nobody have anything on the windowsill? Because it's not usual. So that is why, and I don't know why I've still got loads of things on it. And then I've got Leah's school pants.
We're just like everyone else, aren't we? Look, with all our washing on the, all our drying on the radiators.
So I will tell you everything we've got in here. Leah's school pants.
A pair of underpants.
A pair of Leah's boxers. Leah's motorbike top. A dirty cloth.
And some socks.
My mum's knickers.
Ah, no, not a pair of mummy's knickers. And everybody thinks YouTubers live in big fancy houses, but not us.
Leah's Hulk sock.
Ugh, that'll stink. Does it stink?
Ugh.
What about your desk? You haven't told everybody about your desk. We've just put that up, haven't we?
Not yet.
Not yet.
That's
Okay.
the end. got this bit down here. It's a little bedroom for these. So first I've got this one. I got it from Robin Hood's Bear. If no one's heard of that, it's a little the cottages on loads of hills, and my daddy hates walking. So when I showed him a video of it, and just by looking at it, he got tired.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Well, I know, but I don't think a holiday is walking millions of miles, do you?
And there was this nice lady inside the shop, and she gave me this one for free. She gave it to my grandma and my grandma's friend because I was so nice. She gave me this bee for free.
And you've made it a bed?
Yeah. I've got, I'll say the means. This one's called BB, but spelled B.
Mm.
And I've got this one, it's called Little Gold. This one wasn't for free, it was, let me just remember, £3.50. And this one's called Pinky, and it's another £3.50. And then I've just got a unicorn, a little dream catcher here, some clothes for my other teddies. My grandma knitted me.
Grandma knits all the clothes, doesn't she?
Yeah. And then I've got a red pen.
Do you think people want to see a red pen?
Yeah.
People do not want to see a red pen. That is so boring. You alright?
Yeah, I've got a cold.
Yeah, everybody's got colds.
And there's this picture. I didn't have any more paper, so I cut a bit out. And I made that weird.
Yeah.
Then I did this for my mummy, and she's still not taking it out of my bedroom.
Yeah, because you're keeping it for safekeeping.
Then I made this for my friend. It's a song. It's her favourite song. And then this is my favourite picture I have ever done in my life.
Really, really good job.
I'll tell you how to do it. So you just do some stripes in any colour, and then you colour these in what colour you would like. Then get a piece of tissue paper or toilet paper. Press it down, not all the way, just on some
Dab it.
Yeah, dab it on, and then get a metallic marker or a red pen or something, and then outline it, and then it turns out like this.
Yeah.
So if you guys want to make that, it takes about 2 hours.
Yeah. You love crafts, don't you? Crafts are one of your favourite things to do.
Yeah, and then in here, you might not want to see, but I'll show
What's
you.
inside? Barbie stuff.
Yeah.
Loads of Barbie things.
Yeah, so it's a big mess.
Yeah.
No one wants to see that.
No one wants to see inside a messy cupboard.
Yeah, and then I've got sweets.
A box full of candies.
Let me see how much rubbish I've got in here. Let me just see. Rubbish.
So after every time you eat something, you just throw the wrapper back inside?
Yeah. I don't like those two. Rubbish.
Bounties, they're the best.
Ew, they're disgusting.
No, they're the best.
Take them. A giveaway for bounties and stickers. Who likes bounties and stickers? And Snickers.
Snickers. They're nice.
I just said Snickers.
Snickers.
Snickers. Comment down below who likes them. And if comments are turned off, I don't know what you can do.
Oh yeah, comments are turned off on YouTube videos now, aren't they?
Yeah, well, I have an Instagram. It's called Angel's Playtime.
Yeah, you do, don't you?
Yeah, so comment on there. And I've got a shocking.
Shocking. Don't play with them anymore. Put them back in.
Yeah, just throw them back in there. Nobody cares. My mum will just think that they're real rappers.
Yeah. I think we should show everybody the big finale.
Not yet.
That thing over there.
No! You're so impatient.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah. Because on my last video, I was like, open the doll fast, open the doll fast.
Oh, I was doing the LOL dolls.
I love this. Tangle.
I bet a lot of people at home have got the same toys as you know, Angel.
Yeah, these are quite popular.
Yeah, they are, aren't they?
Yeah.
Especially for 7-year-olds.
Yeah, and then I've got a big mess of hair. So
Let's have a look.
I love scrunchies. That's what
Yeah, you've got a lot of.
Yeah.
You like girly things, don't you? Like,
look.
I'm not looking at that over there.
Yes, you will.
I'm not. I promise.
Okay, and then I've got my LOL house. I use it as my teddy house now.
Yeah, you use it for your Barbies as well, don't you?
Yeah. And then I've got my books here. My secret diary card. I'll open it up for you. It's got a secret pen so you can't see what's inside.
Is that how you get into it with a secret pen?
I can't even open the thing up.
Haha, you won't be opening your MC diary today.
Oh my gosh, it's my favourite thing in the whole bedroom.
There you go.
Thank you, Daddy. It's my favourite film to watch as well. And have any of you watched Monsters 1 and 2? It's so good. If you're like a girly girl, you should watch it.
Yeah.
So this is what it's a magic electronic wristband.
Mm.
And this is how you do it. So I watched the thing with this, Project MC2.
Mhm.
It's a really good science film. But the episodes on Netflix.
Yeah.
Is it broken? Open.
After all that, it won't open. The battery's flat.
No, it's off.
Oh dear.
Get open.
I can hear it. Has it done it? Whoa!
I'm game. I'm always game. Okay, let's do this.
That's a real good set.
So it's this.
Yeah.
You bought me it.
Yeah, no, that's what I mean, but it's a good set.
I didn't want any of this means.
No.
We just went GQ.
Well, you can learn. That's why people get things, so they can learn new things.
It didn't even say on the actual thing either.
Done it?
No, I'm not, like serious. Look, what does that mean?
I don't know.
I have no idea. I've got tape. Got a piece of tape stuck to a bracelet. This bracelet doesn't fit me. And then I've got my magic pen. It looks like it's got no ink, but when you use this,
Oh yeah. So everything's secret in there, isn't it?
yeah, there's not a lot. MC2.
You won't be able to see that on this camera, I don't think.
It says MC2.
Yeah.
I don't know what. I can't even.
Right, let's move on to the final thing.
No, not yet.
Let's move on to the final
I need to
thing.
put it away.
Oh, sorry.
I'm actually a good gal putting things away.
Angel likes to keep her bedroom really tidy.
No, I hate keeping it. Okay, so then my books, I don't think you're wrong.
Kids do not like reading books.
Okay, so the big finale, I've just got this desk. Hello, your desk is higher now. Yeah, I got it I got it for Christmas, and my mum still hadn't built it.
No, it was really difficult to build.
Yeah, it came with like 100 pieces.
Yeah. What's in the drawers?
So I'll show you this bit first. So this is a lamp with no light inside.
Yeah.
My mum needs to buy a light for it. Then I've got these bracelets. And I've got some Disney Durables here, my favourite ones. So they're just these bands, you can use them, you get them from Spain. And you can use them as wristbands, or I think some of you girls have heard about them, or have got them.
Ale hop, you get them from, don't you?
Yeah, it'll hop. So we're in Tenerife, Benidorm.
Yeah, we like going to Benidorm, don't we?
Yeah.
In Tenerife.
So you can use them on you can put them in your hair with, you can use them as hair elastics or wristbands.
Yeah.
And then I've got my water, so
Can't beat a water bottle.
the sea water.
Keep you healthy. You won't be able to see the water in there. So is that everything then? Is that your room tour done?
Yeah.
What have I forgot?
I need a drink.
Go on then.
I hate people
What?
watching.
Alright, I won't watch. Don't spill none.
Wow.
Okay, so what's left on this bedroom tour?
And then I've got these drawers.
Yeah.
Right. This is a dream catcher. It doesn't even work.
It'll catch your dreams, that.
It doesn't work.
It will, it'll catch your dreams.
It doesn't work. So this one.
Nothing.
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 Oh, you've broken it. Oh, lucky. And this one, nothing. Nothing. Oh!
So, first I've got
Oh, Chanel, eh? Fancy, fancy.
and then I've got my favorite lipstick.
Yeah, you love lipstick, you.
Yeah, Daddy loves me wearing it.
No, I don't. Tell you off. No.
And I've got this Minters lip balm. It's really silky and soft on your lips.
Yeah, you love lip balm.
Yes, I do. So I've got this. I got yesterday.
From Smith's.
Toy Superstore. So it's just this little cute flamingo. And then I've got this notebook. So first is this page. And then is this page.
It's a good notebook, that. Notebooks are getting a lot better when
And then I rated the names of those.
Yep.
And then I've got some slime there. It's some glittery pink slime. Then down there I've just got my Baba. And then some other.
I wonder if people at home, if they have a bar like that. Do you know what Angel? Do you know what Angel does with it? She goes like this, sniffs it, sniffs it. She sniffs the bar all the time, don't you?
So I've got these with fortune cookies. They're not real. But they've got bracelets inside. So I've got this one.
Yeah.
It's a diamond with a green lace. This one, a unicorn cupcake with a violet lace. And then this one with it's an ice cream with a pink lace. That is it with my router. And there's just one more thing. We made it, me and my mum.
That's a Dobby outfit for
World Book Day.
Book Day, yeah.
Yeah, we coloured it with coffee.
Yeah, we did. Worked really well, didn't it? Right?
Do it with
Oh well, Mummy did it. Bye, Angel.
Bye. See you guys later. Well, not later.
Are you gonna start doing more YouTube videos?
Yes.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Because I've asked you a few times to do one and you won't do them, will you? And then today, you was all keen to do one. When's your next video gonna be?
Next week.
You're not even looking.
Yeah, I can see it in
Alright, when's your next video gonna be?
3 days.
3 days. Okay, bye, Angel.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.